Hey there! Frustrated with slow internet speeds on your PC? You are not alone. In this guide, we'll dive into the steps on how to fix internet speed on PC using TP-Link. Whether you're dealing with buffering videos or sluggish browsing, these solutions can help enhance your online experience. Step 1. Check your internet plan. Before diving into technical fixes, start by confirming that your internet plan aligns with your needs. Use speed testing websites like speedtest.net to measure your actual speed. If your plan is outdated or insufficient for your demands, upgrading with your internet service provider might be the simplest solution. Step 2. Optimize your TP-Link router setting. A well-optimized router can significantly improve your internet speed. Start by logging into your TP-Link router's web interface. Typically, you can access it by typing in 192.168.0.1 or tplinkwifi.net into your browser. Once you're in, update your firmware if an update is available. Out-of-date software can slow down your internet. Next, explore quality of service settings to prioritize bandwidth for certain devices like your PC, ensuring it receives the necessary speed. Adjusting the channel settings from auto to a less congested frequency might also improve performance, especially in areas with many nearby networks. Step 3. Relocate your router. The physical location of your router can dramatically affect speed and reliability. Ensure that your TP-Link router is placed in a central location and elevated from the floor. Avoid placing it behind thick walls or near large metal objects, which can interfere with signal strength. If the router is too far from the PC, consider using a Wi-Fi range extender to boost the signal. Step 4. Secure your network. An unsecured network may be getting drained by unauthorized users. To secure your TP-Link router, change the default password to something unique and strong. Enable WPA2 or WPA3 encryption. This will protect your network while also preventing unwanted guests from bogging down your bandwidth. Step 5. Use a wired connection. If Wi-Fi connection issues persist, opting for a wired connection can significantly improve stability and speed. Connect an Ethernet cable directly from your TP-Link router to your PC. This bypasses potential Wi-Fi interference altogether and provides a direct line for data transfer. Step 6. Minimize interference. Devices such as microwave ovens, cordless phones, and Bluetooth devices can cause Wi-Fi interference. Keep such electronics away from your TP-Link router to reduce signal disruption. Regularly auditing your connected devices can also help. Overly crowded network can slow down speeds for every connected. Step 7. Restart regularly. While often overlooked, regularly rebooting your TP-Link router can refresh the connection and clear temporary glitches that might be slowing you down. A simple restart once a week can make a noticeable difference. Boosting your internet speed on a PC using a TP-Link router doesn't have to be complex. By assessing your internet plan, optimizing router settings, encrypting your network, and perhaps switching to a wired connection, you can significantly enhance your online experience. Remember to prioritize safety and security, ensuring your network runs smoothly without interference. With these steps, you'll be streaming, gaming, and browsing at top speeds in no time. Enjoy the newfound online freedom.